Okay, so number 4, implement a stack in which you can get min element of O of 1 and O of 1 space. So I'm going to assume that the constraints are applied to the get min method itself. So I'm just going to override on a stack. So I'm just going to implement pop and push. So I'm going to have some stack in the data section, in the stack. So I'm gonna have a stack within a stack. So mins new stack. So actually, let me start with push first. So every time I push, if mins dot empty. So if the minimum stack is empty, that means there hasn't been any minimums instantiated. So I'm gonna just min dot push. So int elm. And also there's gonna be a field called min. And we'll set min equal to elm. Since there hasn't been any elements in the min, so yeah, so when they're instantiated, the minimum stack is automatically empty. So I'm just gonna push an element, and it's going to be min automatically. Also, there is another check that I have to do. If it's not empty, and if mins dot peak happen to be bigger than elm, then min dot push elm, and min is elm. So I actually could have combined this check conditions together, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay, so those are the conditions when a new minimum is introduced to the stack. And after that, I'm going to, if else, if nothing else, so that means the element is bigger than the min. It's just gonna do min dot push elm. So this could have been reduced to 2 lines of code, but I'm doing it on the fly. So yeah. So actually, yeah. So that does it. So that keeps a track of the minimum as the elements are being added to it. And public, so that should be void, public int pop. So this is going to return an element if s.pop so if this dot pop is same as int minimum. So this refers to the stack itself. So let's just do so actually I'm gonna have 2 stacks just for the sake of the program right now. So the normal stack which is going to work like a stack. So s dot pop is same as min element. So if the element that I'm popping is the minimum element, I'm going to reassign min to so I first have to pop mins dot pop, and I'm gonna set min to mins dot pop. So if I pop it twice, then I'm going to get the next element. Actually, I'm gonna do peak. So I'm gonna push it back. So I reset the new minimum, and then I return actually int val is s dot pop, and I'm gonna write that as val so that we don't lose track of this, and then I'll do return val. Right, so it updates the minimum if it's equal to the minimum, and from that point we can do public int get min. So at this function call, all we gotta do is return min. So here, like in the method itself, it's O of 1 and space of O of 1, but it's the stack. I mean, the stack is already going to have a space complexity of n, so I just added another stack. So it resulted in 2n, but the method of get min itself, well, it had the O of 1 complexity, both space and time.